Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I will be guiding you through how to delete your Frollo account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your Frollo application and make sure to sign into your account. Once you're signed into your account, go ahead and tap on the settings icon at the top right hand corner. From the settings menu, go all the way down from the screen and then tap on delete account under account ownership. Once you proceed deleting your account and once your account has been deleted, you will lose all categorizations, personalizations, linked accounts and progress towards your goals. To continue deleting your account, tap on I want to delete my account at the bottom. Select a region where you are trying to leave and then enter any feedback that you can give about the platform on how they can improve. And after you are done with your feedbacks, tap on continue anyway and tap on yes delete account in the next pop-up. Soon after you do that, you have now redirected to the main interface. That means you have successfully deleted your account. So that is how you can easily delete Frollo account just in a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.